In this video, I'm gonna tell you a Drake story, all right? So I'm gonna teach you exactly how Drake was capable of actually blowing up way faster than most other artists. Most people don't think about it like this, but this is the psychology behind the music business. And he's not the only example that I could use. I could actually teach you, I could use 50 Cent, LL Cool J. I could keep going through a list of artists and how they utilize this to blow themselves up. So I'm gonna tell you that story about Drake today, and you're gonna go, oh, wait a minute. That's genius, right? And to be honest with you, this is actually one of those tools that I'm currently using that I've always wanted to use for a long time, even though my ego kind of prevented me from being able to do it because I was like, oh, that's soft, da da da. But then I look back, I'm like, what do you mean? Like, what? No, it's not. Wait a minute. Like, no, it's actually smart. Okay. So after this video, you're gonna rethink a couple things. And a lot of you I know are rappers. You know, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do this. Some of you might already be doing it, but I know for sure if you're not doing it, you're gonna go, wow, I should probably start doing this because this is really how the game works. All right. So we're gonna get into that. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You're gonna get smarter. Right to the intro. I'm Rob Level, a successful music artist that's been rapping for over 10 years. I've been posted everywhere from Complex to TMZ. I've had label deals, charted top 100, written songs for major artists with Grammy winners. On here, I teach you everything I learned in the music business. So as I learn, you get to learn too. This is Smart Rap. Here's a look at the formula, okay? What Drake did was this. When they initially came out, what are the songs he was releasing? Best I Ever Had. God, right? Okay. The initial thing was this, right? So that first project he released though was kind of like a combination of both. And then what was the second project though? All right. It was all girl songs. Every song. And it was solely focused on that because what they realized was if the male can gain the female audience first, it forces the male audience to like the male artist. Facts. Okay? Think about it. Like, I don't really like The Weeknd. Then every girl listened to it and I'm like,
bro, no,
this is hard.
That's how I got on Drake. A girl told me.
Correct. See that formula? Tory Lanez.
Do it.
Girl songs, now you can release I Ain't Been Broken to Me, you can release all these other songs, no matter. If you push female records first, females will attach to it. It's easier to emotionally attach because there's not this male ego, alpha or beta ego in the way of like, I like this person's music. It's just like a female's like, I like it. It's different. So if you push female music first, you get the girls, and then you can start pushing. That's a big thing people don't really think about. In a way, it's a form of selling out. You'll notice I only have like one girl song, and the girl song that I have on like 10 projects that I've released, the one girl song, it's called Here's Your Song. Because it was like, here, finally, here's a song for you, for a girl. Like the Justin Bieber fans, you capture that audience, okay, they're gonna listen to the trap shit too. That's the point. Making girl songs, you make that a priority in some way, shape, or form. But that's something you can actually do, even though a rapper is like tough, don't wanna do that. Like, you know, Nas don't wanna make no girl songs. You wanna make the lovey-dovey songs. You wanna make songs that's like, for the street, you wanna make that makes you feel like a man. You wanna make that shit. But the thing is though, is like, eventually I started realizing all the flaws and mistakes that I had made. If you actually started making female songs, it's gonna translate and go further, faster. What the f? So there you have it. A Drake story that's not only been used by Drake, but it's been used by a lot of artists. Now look at that. There's a reason why he was able to sell so many records so quickly. He was already successful, but look, we're talking about just his second project. And when that happens, they knew if we can get this to happen, then you're good forever. He's not really making girl songs anymore. All he makes is bangers. So think about it. You make a couple girl songs now, you can make whatever you want later. That's how you gotta think about it. Like even I wanna make girl songs, I don't have any damn girl songs, really. But I tell you what, I got a bunch of them that I've been wanting to write that I would never release because I felt like it would be a little bit too soft. So now I'm gonna start making these girl songs. You're gonna start watching the girls be all over me, and then you're gonna wanna be more like me because the girls are all over me. This is how it works. It's psychology. You wanna be like the person that has the girls, the money, and the fame. Would you wanna be in Drake's shoes if he wasn't getting all those girls?
No.
I mean, I might, but I'd rather be in Drake's shoes with the one getting girls. Okay, he's shaking his head. He's shaking his head like, yeah, that's like how it is. So like, if you are somebody who also wants to get the women, which is part of the success, you know, I'm not trying to be like that guy, but it's how it is. We're guys, if you're a guy watching this. And if you want that part of it, make a couple girl songs. Because even DaBaby right now, you got a couple girl songs, you know, you get the bangers, right? But then you hear the other ones, you got the girl songs, right? Because you gotta make songs for the ladies. So make some girl songs as well. Mix them in. You're also gonna build and develop your style a bit more because you're gonna be trying different areas where maybe you're not even that comfortable. Think about that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified every time I release a new video, right? Hit me with a like and hit me with a comment below. And just so you guys know, I built an entire level system in every description below every video. You can look below and you can see where you are in your music career based on a level and where you potentially need something because you can see it. Then you can get your hands on anything that I have in those levels, and then that'll help you progress to the next level. And that's why I built a system like that. It actually took me like pretty much like the last year to really build that out. I have over 150 courses. I've already helped tens of millions of artists. He ain't lying. Let's get to hundreds of millions. Let's make that happen because I know it's possible. If I got here, we can get there. And everything that's gonna help you is below. All right, I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. New video every day, guys. So I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.